y'all, if you're looking for a way to generate images and or videos in bulk using Google Flow, then I have a solution for you. It's called FlowQ, and it's a Google Chrome extension that essentially allows you to paste in your prompts here, hit a button, and it will automatically fill this out and submit them for you. All right, so real quick rundown on how this works. You go here to your native UI and you choose what options you want. This is what you're going to generate using all of your prompts. Once you have those selected, you go up here to your prompt box, and I'm actually going to clear this out, and I am going to paste in a new set of prompts. Okay, so I have 3 prompts here, and then you hit the Run Queue button. From there, it's going to automatically generate the images or videos for you, depending on what you choose. And you can use this in a new project. You can use this in an existing project. So yeah, while this works, I'm going to go over a few advanced features really quickly. The min weight and max weight is just a randomizer of how much time to wait before the next prompt gets submitted. The check page button, if you're having any issues, you click on that and it will let you know if it's having trouble connecting with Google Flow. If it does, sometimes you just need to refresh the page. And then lastly, there is a stop button. So if you're in the middle of a job and you want to stop, then you can click that button. Now, it won't stop any images or videos that are currently being generated, but it will stop the job so the next one will not be submitted, and you can, do whatever you need to do from there. So yeah, that's pretty much it. As you can see, my hands have been here the whole time, and this has been working automatically for me. And yeah, so I hope you found this helpful. Again, it's called FlowQ. It's in the Google Chrome store. I will drop a link in the comments or description below, and you can check that out. No limits on FlowQ's end. There will be limits imposed by Google outside of our control, but other than that, yeah, use it to your heart's content. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.